Hello, I'm Mayor Treney Tweedy, and I want to speak to you briefly about the city and the community's response to the global pandemic COVID-19. First, let me say, on behalf of my fellow members of City Council, how very proud we are of the members of this community who are coming together to help one another during this challenging time. There are so many stories of both individuals and groups who are assisting with delivering groceries to the elderly, volunteering to deliver food to the community's children so they don't go hungry while schools are closed, offering free childcare, and dozens of other acts of kindness. That is one of the many reasons why I am so proud to be the mayor of this beautiful city. Lynchburg always comes together when faced with difficult times, and no matter what, time and again, all of you prove that this is a great place to live, work, and play. This has been a busy week for our city officials. On Tuesday, March 17th, City Manager Bonnie Severchik declared and City Council endorsed a local state of emergency. This will allow us to request state and federal resources should it become necessary. The widespread closures, social distancing, and recommendations to avoid public gatherings have created excess burdens upon our restaurant, lodging, and entertainment businesses of the city. To provide some assistance to the business community, we are deferring payment of certain taxes without penalty, interest, and collection activities. Although some of our restaurants have closed temporarily, others are still offering delivery and carry-out services. I encourage you to please continue to support them, and don't forget to tip the folks who deliver your food. It's a difficult time for them as well. We know with some businesses closing, many of our residents are struggling. In the interest of public health and safety, the decision was made to suspend all water service cutoffs for non-payment through May 15, 2020. Late fees also will be waived during this time period. This suspension is to ensure that all Lynchburg residents are able to continue to practice good hygiene by washing their hands with soap and water in order to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19. We are encouraging you to use old-fashioned snail mail to make payments to the city, or to use one of the many online options available on the city's website to reduce in-person visits to City Hall. Lastly, Lynchburg is a city of churches and of many denominations and faiths. Whether you worship on Saturday or Sunday or another day of the week, I want to encourage you to heed the advice of the Virginia Department of Health against assembling in large groups and to practice social distancing. This pandemic is an ever-evolving situation. We must take care of ourselves and the most vulnerable members of our community. Please remember, especially if you are a member of a large congregation, if you cannot put the distance between you and the next person, you should rethink your presence there. Again, please remember to wash your hands, practice social distancing, and stay well. We will get through this together.